All right, let's talk all about this thing called the gelatin trick for weight loss. It involves Dr. Jennifer Ashton, Kelly Clarkson, Rebel Wilson, Adele, other celebrities, but it's all a scam. And I'll tell you exactly what's going on here. So just as an example, this page here, you might say, oh, it's BBC. BBC's covering it. No, this is a scam website pretending to be BBC. This is not BBC.com. This gelatin trick for weight loss thing claims there's something having to do with a gelatin that maybe it's pink gelatin, whatever they claim to you, blue gelatin. It's going to help you with weight loss. And they're going to tell you a recipe. Maybe you saw a long video. At the end of that video, they never reveal a recipe. They reveal to you a bottle of pills or a bottle, like a dropper bottle or something like that. It's a dietary supplement pitch that lies to you about a gelatin trick. So you might be saying, no. I saw the gelatin trick somewhere, Jordan. You're wrong. No. It is a scam. It is a scam marketing tactic to get you to watch long videos. My video will not be long. I can guarantee you that. You can see my duration down below. It's not going to be that bad compared to the hour-long plus videos, hour plus long or hour-long plus, whatever, that you might find out there. So this is a fake BBC article, just as an example that came from a Taboola ad because Meta, Facebook and Instagram parent company, TikTok, and Taboola, which is an advertising platform, all these different advertising networks, platforms, whatever you want to call them, accept money from scammers for scam ads. And that's just our reality. You might be saying, well, shouldn't someone do something about that, Jordan? Yeah, but no one's going to because it's been going on for years. People are making money from this. The people who are behind the advertising networks. So they don't, in my mind, my opinion, they're not going to turn off that beautiful stream of money coming through. It's really sad. So this says BBC reported gelatin trick used by Kelly Clarkson to lose 60 pounds in 68 days. Real or fake? Kelly Clarkson insists she never used Ozempic or surgery. She says her secret was a simple gelatin trick she discovered in Hollywood, the same one Rebel Wilson and Jennifer Hudson rely on, even Adele. And it's not real. It's not legitimate. This looks like an altered photo of her. She was never quite that, I'm pretty sure. And then they've got this gelatin here with this pink stuff. Ooh, what is it? What's the recipe they want you to think? And you don't need to worry about that because it's not legitimate. And they have this person, says Rachel Roberts interviewed Kelly Clarkson about this. And maybe she did interview her, but it has nothing to do with, and is that the same room? That looks like a buffet behind her. Like you have a buffet in a house, not like a buffet like you go to a restaurant. And then a completely different environment. So she's not interviewing her. They claim it's 3 ingredients. There is no recipe. The gelatin trick is a scam to get you to buy scam products. A lot of them are coming from Brazil. You might be wondering, well, can't someone do something about these people? I don't know. I'm just a guy. I'm not law enforcement. It's got Rebel Wilson. It's got Jennifer Hudson. And they talk about Adele. They say, look, this is something, that's normally sold for $127, but we're making it available 100% free today. Lies. That doctor is the renowned Dr. Jennifer Ashton, and she has a video that explains the gelatin-based trick step by step, why it works, and how people are using it safely at home. I'm going to show you part of that video here in a second. Again, she has no involvement with this at all. And what you're going to see are deep fake visuals with AI-generated audio, meaning manipulated lip movement with AI-generated vocals. So let me see if I can open this up.
Why did eating just 1 cube a day of this strange gelatin trick make Kelly Clarkson lose 60 pounds in just 68 days? No dieting, no working out, and no giving up the foods she loves every day. My name is Dr. Jennifer Ashton, physician, author, and American television correspondent on ABC and GMA, and creator of this home remedy you are about to learn. And let me warn you, this trick will force your body to burn 15, 20, and even 35 pounds of stubborn fat in the next 30 days, even if you continue to eat your favorite foods. I mean it. I'll tear out my medical degree if it doesn't work for you. And after I officially leave ABC, I'll reveal exactly how to do it at home in less than 2 minutes in this one video. When I say I lost 61 pounds just by doing a simple trick
fake photo
once a day, no one believes me. But it's true. And it all started when Dr. Ashton called me and asked a very strange question. Do you have gelatin at home? At that time, I weighed about 203 pounds, and I was constantly in the headlines because of my weight. Magazines made jokes saying that at that size, I would never be able to be the confident, sexy woman I once was. But in just 2.5 months, without dieting, eating everything I wanted,
Without exercising and without taking any medication, I lost 61 pounds using just this simple and
Promising you no diet, no exercise. That's a sign of a scam.
Daily, but without the side effects. It became my daily ritual. Something so basic flipped a switch in my body and eliminated obesity, even with the rush of recordings and shows.
As Kelly said, it's like taking a dose of Mounjaro, but without the side effects. And with a huge bonus, you burn fat even faster. In recent months, I've received messages from women asking for help because they had to stop using the gelatin trick after going from a large to a medium size in less than 10 days.
I'm very careful when recommending the gelatin trick. My belly flattened in just 10 days and I have
Is that Khloe or Kourtney Kardashian? Whoever it is has nothing to do with it. No celebrities, doctors, universities, or anyone famous ever endorsed
All
this.
the known diets and exercises for weight loss? Well, contrary to what most people think, there is something in gelatin that goes far beyond collagen production or bone health. When prepared correctly, the first contact of this gelatin mixed with your intestines triggers something magical. An immediate release
No,
of two
it's just
powerful
like Jell-O. It doesn't do anything.
inside your body. The same ones that dangerous synthetic drugs.
I'm going to talk more about that in here just 1 second.
Your appetite disappears, your body believes it is satisfied, and it begins to burn the fat stored in your belly, arms, and thighs. This happens 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, even while you sleep. It's like hacking your metabolism, only in a simple, natural way, and it starts working from day one. With just 1 cube a day, you may need to renew your entire wardrobe in a week. And now, this trick is spreading throughout the celebrity world and has already helped more than 114 people.
It hasn't.
Men and women between the ages of 25 and 80 in the U.S., activating automatic fat burning of up to 21 pounds every 15 days without having to diet.
It's been 10 days since I started doing my little gelatin trick every morning, and I've already lost 12 pounds. I don't know what you've discovered, Dr. Jen, but it seems like a miracle. I'm in shock. I lost 31
These look like deep fake videos.
Gelatin and 3 other ingredients.
Obviously not authentic testimonials.
Haven't tried it yet. You're wasting your time.
If you've seen me on television or podcasts, you know that I practice functional medicine, where I don't waste time treating symptoms, but go straight to the root cause. And that's exactly how I've been able to
Fake
create
video.
some of the most
You can
impossible
see.
cases of natural weight loss
Go ahead and
ever
stop.
documented.
So I'll show you. You can see in the bottom right of that little video that just showed up that there's a blurred out Google Gemini logo, meaning they created that video with Nano Banana Pro, probably Google's AI tools, whatever. And so basically at the end of this whole process, it will try to pitch you on a product. In this case, it was something I believe, I'll take a look here, called Gelatin Sculpt or Gelatine Sculpt, a dropper bottle. It could be a supplement. It could be, they're going to be hundreds of these products maybe that are tied to this Dr. Jennifer Ashton, Kelly Clarkson fake thing. So this thing that's going around about gelatin trick for weight loss has no legitimacy. You may say, well, I saw a recipe on one website, Jordan. Are you sure? I'm positive. I would bet money. This is just not legitimate. It's gelatin, like Jell-O or whatever, is not going to be able to do anything. This is just the latest buzzword, key phrase, sort of slogan thing to try to get people to fall for a scam. Last year was the pink salt hack. Before that, it was like the ice hack. And there was also one, what was it? The turmeric hack and just lots of different stuff. They just pick something that you might find in your house, whether it's in the fridge like gelatin or it's an herb, a spice, a fruit, a vegetable, whatever. And they claim it's a hack, a ritual, a method, a habit, whatever word they want to pick. And they say it's a 7-second something or a 5-second something or a 10-second whatever, morning ritual, nighttime routine, whatever. They fool you with all this marketing. The people likely in Brazil fool you with all this. That's their attempt. That's what they do for their lives for some reason, or short lives on this earth, whatever. So that's what this is. Don't fall for this. The gelatin trick for weight loss is garbage. And if you're with a publisher and you're going to be making an article about this and you're using my content to kind of like fill you in on what this is all about, it'd be cool if you mentioned me and linked to me, maybe embed my video. I'd really appreciate it. Instead of not mentioning me at all, that'd be cool. All right, like, comment, subscribe, join buttons down below. And yeah, the gelatin trick for weight loss is bogus. It's a hoax. It is part of a massive scam ring. Do not buy anything associated with it. And thank you for watching.